Hello friends, here we make one report with the help of this data where we make everything automated. Like whenever you will select the department, like okay, I'm selecting the IT department, the item request or purchased by these departments, it will show here. You can see these items is taken by this department. If I will change here, it will other department cells. So the item is changed. And respect to that, this one also is going to be changed. Suppose cells here and in the sales department, they have bought only one time this desk organizer. You'll come here, you will see here. So, and you can see here, if I will select the items, so it is going to be expanded like how many entries or how many times they have bought. It will take automatic everything. If you have monitored, the column is going to be auto adjusted. So we will going to see in this video how we can make same like this with the help of these datas. So I'm going to do one thing. I will just take a copy for this datas. I will make a new sheet, Control N, and I will paste it. So the new sheet I'm going to save is a training video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Now we need one more sheet for our reference. We can give the name as a reference or support. I will just make a reference. If you'll see here in this Excel sheet, I make one sheet that is support. I hide that one. So we have to make one more here for our reference. I will make this one as a reference. Then one for report. Now in the reference, what we are going to take, we will take the unique departments and the unique items here. That's what we did here. If you'll see, there is no duplicate, no duplicate. Here, why it's showing only these items, you will get to know. If I will delete this one, then it will show full items list. You see, these are all the item list. But if I will make it here, any department, then it's going to be show only that department items. So we will do the same. So I'm going to make a department here. I'll make is equal to, we are going to take a unique tab and select this one. We will select from here to till last, so that if you add any future entries, it is going to be added automatic. Then close it and enter. You see the item is came the unique one, but it's showing 0 here because there is some blank is there. We took all and there is a blank. To remove this, we will use filter option, filter, copy this one and make a comma here and then paste it again, less than equal to, then double colon, comma and 0 and enter. You see now it's only showing that value only. So if in future if you add any more housekeeping, so that value will come automatic here. See here, for the time being I will delete it. And same we will do for item, equal to unique, filter, then we will come here, click and go to the last, comma, then we will remove the blank one, then go less than equal to, double colon, comma 0, bracket close, bracket close. Now we have item list also. Now what we need to do, we can make here department and here item. Now we need the drop list like this. Then now we can click here, go to the data validation, select list, click here in the source, go to the reference. For the department, click to the first cell and press Shift 3 to insert the hash key and then OK. So it will insert all the list. You can see here, now all the list is there. Same for the item, data validation, list, click to source, go reference, click here and then hash, OK. Now we have data also. OK. Now we need take this one, copy it, paste it here. I will just make it in one column. Type here equal to, we will use filter. Now go to here, your data, go to the first, select from data till to last, and then comma. Now we will look with the reference, this one. Select equal to this item, comma 0, close. Now it's showing in one, like the row wise. Now you can use transpose, then there's array and close it. Now it's showing like this. Now we can select this one and you'll go to last, go to home, go to condition, new rule, select formula only cell that contain and no blanks. Now you can modify the format. I will use bold and italic, border, and you can use this color. You can choose any color. Let me select this color. OK and OK. Now it will come on the moment I will select this one, it will change it. See, but it's showing all the list. See, it's always showing all the list. If I will select the sales department, it should show only the sales, but it's always showing all the items. For that, we need to do go here, copy this formula, and we will use the if condition. So if this cell is empty, it will give all the value. Else, copy that same formula again and delete this part, put comma, go here, go up and scroll and select till last. Here we will check what is in this cell and it should match with this cell. Only the respected item should show here. So now it's done, comma and 0. Close the bracket and enter. Now if you will select this here, human resource, it will show only human resource items. You go finance, so finance, IT, IT. Okay, now we can insert one more rows here. Here we'll give subtotal and here we have sum and we will select from here to the last and bracket close, enter. We can do one more thing here to make auto fit. You see it's coming outside. We can right click here, view code, then select worksheet and type here cells dot entire column tab dot auto fit tab. Go to file, close and return to the Microsoft Excel. Now once you click, it will be auto resize. Now, this one we can make some color. And we can have border and select all these. Go to last and make the alignment left. This one also left and make it bold. Now we'll select here cells and it will show only the cells item. Click, it will auto resize. Now same like others. In future you can just hide this one because it's not going to require. And here if in future if you add any other department also, you can freeze this one. So in future if you are going to add any other department, housekeeping, and here you can add cleaner, date, let's see, we can go to the cell format, make it date, this and okay. Or you can just copy the format. Then you can give the unit price, maybe 100 or 200, quantity 10, total 2000. You can give the remark in process. So on the moment if you're going to add this one, it will reflect to your reference page. You see here, and it will come here also. See housekeeping, and you have only one item, cleaner. Now the date is not showing in the correct format, right? Do one thing, select this one, go to the last, click, cell format, and give to the date. And you can select the date like this, and okay. Now it will be for everyone. Same format. So even though if you add here also, it is not going to add any space in between. Just I mention the pool item 4 and 250, 100, 250, 000, and you can make no remark. So it will come here. Even though it will come here also. Say recreation, and it will come the pool item. It will show here. See the date and everything is changed. So in the future, you don't need to modify anything in your report. See, just on the moment, if you will add any data in your data sheet, it is going to reflect everywhere. You just need to select it from drop-down list. If you want to print it, select this and Control P. Go to selection. Can make it landscape. You can scroll from here also. You can reduce this one. It's going to be 2 pages. You want to make it in 1 page. Go here, fit it in 1 page. So it will fit it in 1 page. You can just drag it here because there's more space. And you can print it. So that's only for these videos. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.